Hello everyone, this side Diksha Ahuja. Welcome back to my channel Economic Zone by Diksha Ahuja. So in this video, I have come up with chapter 10 of Statistics, Measures of Central Tendency, that is median and mode of class 11 statistics. So as we have done chapter number 9, Measures of Central Tendency in Arithmetic Mean. Now we've got to know the mathematical average. There is now a turn to know the positional averages. So we are having three types of positional averages. First is median, that divides the series into two equal parts, that divides the series into 50% and 50%. And then we are having partition values. Partition values includes dividing the series into 4 equal parts, 10 equal parts and 100 equal parts. But in our syllabus of class 11th, we only have to deal with quartiles, that is dividing the series into 4 equal parts also, and we will not do deciles and percentiles. So third positional average is mode. So we're gonna cover these three things in our chapter number 9. So first one which I am starting with today is median. So I'm gonna discuss the median in all the three series: individual series, discrete series and continuous series. So let's start with the calculation of median in very first series, that is individual series. Let's start the calculation of median in the very first series, individual series. So for individual series, median is having two different formulas. For even numbers, we are having this formula: n by 2th term plus n by plus 1th term upon 2. And for odd numbers, we are having n plus 1 by 2th term. So let's do one more example is to understand this. So I have taken an example in which I have arranged the series into ascending order. The raw data was given without arranging in ascending or descending series. I have arranged first of all in ascending series. Don't forget to arrange it in either of the series, ascending or descending series, before solving for median. So I am having, say, just check what is n here. N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So n is 9, so definitely it is an odd number, so I can use this formula. So my median can be calculated as 9 plus 1 by 2th term. So check 10 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10 by 2th term. So that's 5th term is my median. Check what is the 5th term. So 50 is my 5th term. So my median for this example will be 50. So that means 50 is a number which is dividing the series into two equal parts. But what if the median is an odd, the series which is given is odd series, right? We have calculated that. But what if the series is even series? Agar we are having, let's say this is an example, again I have arranged in ascending order 10, 12 and so on till 105. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here n is 12. So definitely this is an even number. So I cannot use this formula. I need to use this formula only. Just solve it. Median is equals to n by 2, that is 12 by 2th term plus 12 by 2 plus 1th term upon 2. So solve it. 6th term plus 6 plus 1, 7th term upon 2. So which is the 6th term? Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6th term is 59 plus 7th term is 70. Divide by 2. Solve it further. So it will be 129 divided by 2. Can you guess the answer? Can you calculate the answer yourself? It will be 6. 129 upon 2 will be 64.5. So here the median is not 59, not 70, but average is something that. So 65.5 will be the median in this example, in this very example. So I hope the individual series calculation of median is clear. Let's move to the calculation of median in discrete series. So let's calculate the median in discrete series. So we know what do you mean by discrete series, in which we are having x values and frequency, right? So we are having the formula median is equals to n plus 1 by 2th term Now you will ask that it was there in the individual series also. Now how we can use the same formula? But there is no different formula for even number and odd number. And here you should know that this n signifies summation f. Ye n means this n is the number of observations, and in discrete series n is nothing but summation f. So the very first step is to calculate summation f. So calculate quickly. Calculate frequency total and side by side calculate CF, because that is the very first step to solve for median. Always calculate cumulative frequency as you have done in your 10th class. So calculate 16 plus 14 30, 30 plus 12 42, plus 8 50, 50 plus 14 64, 64 75, so 80. So it is coming how much? Frequency total is coming how much? Just check once again. 16, 30, 12, 50, 64, 75, 80. So CF is total is 80. Frequency total is 80. Let's put the formula of N. Median is equals to 80 plus 1 by 2th term. So it will be 81 by 2th term. That means 40.5th term. Always speak like this. 40.5th term. Now what we need to do? Search in CF. We need to search this number into CF. Search this 40.5, 30. No, it is smaller. So 42 bigger. So always choose this number or the number greater than this. Choose a number greater than this. So the greater than number 40.5 is 42. So this is my something important point. So 40.5 is here 42. So हमने चूज कर लिया. Corresponding x value, इसकी जो corresponding x value है, that is 62 is my median. So कुछ नहीं करना, median is 62. Answer. Any doubt? I repeat once again. Calculate CF, frequency total, put in the formula. जो n plus 1 by 2th term आएगा, search that in CF, the corresponding x value is median. So I hope this is clear. Let's do the median in continuous series. So students, let's do the median for continuous series, and this will complete our entire topic of median, right? So let's complete this. Third series is continuous series, and we know that continuous series means class intervals and frequencies. So as we know, the very first step is to calculate CF and frequency total. So let's do that, and then we will see the formula and everything. So frequency total and CF, let's calculate 9. 9 plus 8, 17, plus 13, 30, 38, 50 and 60. So summation F will be 60. So what is the formula actually? Now directly we cannot calculate median because we are not given with x values. We are given with class intervals. We can only find median class. What we can find out? Median class. So how the median class will be find out? We'll first calculate n by 2th term. N by 2, n क्या है? Frequency total. So n by 2th term will be 60 by 2th term. That is 30th term. Either search the 30 value or greater than that. अगर यहाँ पर 30 होता और यहाँ 30 नहीं होता, 32 होता, तो we would have chosen that. So always remember, a number equals to or greater than this number. Search in CF. Search in CF. So when we search, we got this 30 and this box. Take in this box. This is median class. What is this? Median class. This is known as median class. So 30th term is here median class. Now what we need to do? We are having this formula. You have done this formula in your 10th class also. So I consider that you are familiar with this formula. So L1 plus n by 2. What is L1? The lower limit of the median class. What is n by 2th term? That is 30th term. Minus CF previous. Mind it. ध्यान से देखो. What is CF previous? The cumulative frequency of the previous number. Previous median class and before that. Previous cumulative frequency of that median class into gap. I is the gap. कि इसमें कितना gap है? तो let's solve. So median is equals to lower 20 plus n by 2 is 30 minus CF previous 17 upon frequency 13 into I is 10. So when we will solve it, it is simply we are getting very simple calculation. So 30 minus 17, 13. 13 upon 13 is 1 into 10. So simply we get 30 as an answer. मेरा median कितना आ गया? 30. A simple question, but this question is very simple. You need to practice many more questions from your book. Either VK OLT Jain or NM Shah. You are having so many books. Practice the questions. Questions direct नहीं आते हैं. Question might come, less than series will be given, and you need to first convert that series into normal series and then convert. Inclusive series also comes in the exam, in which we convert that in exclusive series first and then calculate median. If the intervals are unequal, so doesn't matter, हम वो median class का class interval choose कर लेंगे, right? We will choose the median class interval. Let's say यहाँ 0 to 5, 5 to 10 और यहाँ पर 30 का gap है. So whatsoever is the median class, we will take the gap of that and we will ignore all other, right? So unequal class interval may also we calculate the median. So there can be so many questions we can have. In the next video, I will come up with quartiles, the new topic after median. So till then, bye bye. Take care.